Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronic Secret. In today's video, our topic is how to solve the mapping problem of an LED. Mapping problem comes due to two reasons. One, you change a main board, and when you change the panel of an LED. So friends, if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my channel, like my video and share it. Today I will show you how to change the mapping problem. So we will see my video till end so you can understand the whole process. Friends, this is the board I have removed due to burning, and this is the new board installed. Now I will power on it. I will adjust the LED. Here it is keyboard buttons. Friends, I will push the standby button. Here friends, you can see that the display is blurred. Here the TV bar is also red. Here you can see that it's not visible clear. Also see the dish logo, it's not clear. Now friends, from the remote, press menu, then 1147. It is its secret code. From it you can go to factory setting. Menu, now 1147. Here friend, here is the factory setting. Here you can adjust all factory setting. It is not visible in normal menu. Friends, go to panel setting. It has second option. Press OK. Here comes the panel setting friends. Color depth, PWM frequency, LVDS channel swap, LVDS converter. Friends, LVDS converter is the setting we have to change. It is now OK on VESA. VESA. We have to change it to JDIA. Friends, press the right arrow from the remote here. Look at friends, it has now come JDA. This is the setting we required. Now exit. Friends, as you can see that the colors are okay and display is okay. So friends, this is the trick how to change the mapping problem at home. You can easily fix it. I will show you the video, then show the colors, exact colors. In the USB menu there is no device exit, it is in the second slot. Friends, it is universal remote, so it is bit tension to me. Sorry friends, I have forgotten to install the USB flash drive. Now I have installed the USB. Yes friends, look at this USB 3.0 it shows. Now we go to movie, press OK, then open the location. Here are children cartoons. Press any one of them. Friends, look at this, the picture is absolute okay. Friends, it's very easy to change the mapping problem. You can easily fix it on home by pressing menu 11 and 47. Okay friends, goodbye.